How to make cover photo private on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook and let's navigate to our profile page. Now, if you want to make this picture, this cover photo right here, private in such a way that people do not see it when they are on your profile, meaning that you want to hide it from here, then unfortunately you cannot do that. That feature or option is not available on Facebook. However, if you mean that you want to hide it from your timeline, then yes, that feature is available and you can do it just by clicking on the photo, then click view profile cover to um, access the cover photo and gallery of your Facebook. Say for example, this picture right here, it was on your profile timeline and you wanted to hide it from there. All what you need to do is you need to click on these three dots at the top right corner, then click on edit privacy, and here you need to click on more and select only me, and by doing that the picture will be only visible to you and other people will not be able to see it on your timeline. However, as I said, there's no option as of right now to hide this picture from here. You might as well just delete it if you want to do that, or add a black screen or white photo to it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can private your cover photo in Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.